Hey everyone, and welcome back to Simple English Learning. Have you ever been in that slightly awkward moment, standing between two friends who have never met before? You know, that little pause where you're thinking, okay, how do I make this not weird? We've all been there. Well, in today's episode, we're going to make that moment a whole lot easier. We'll listen in on a conversation with our friends David and Anne as they show us exactly how to introduce people with confidence and charm. This dialogue is packed with useful, everyday phrases that will help you connect people and spark a great conversation. So get ready to master the art of the introduction. Let's jump right in.
Hey, David, long time no see. How have you been?
Anne, wow, it's great to see you. I'm doing really well, thanks. How about you?
I'm fantastic, just enjoying a quiet afternoon.
That's great to hear. Oh, Anne, I wanted to introduce you to someone.
Oh, who is it?
This is Alex, my friend from college. Alex, this is Anne, an old friend of mine.
Hi, Anne. It's a pleasure to meet you. David talks a lot about you. Nice to meet you too, Alex. All good things, I hope.
Of course, only the best.
So, Anne, Alex is also really into photography, just like you. Oh, really? That's awesome. What kind of photography do you do, Alex?
Mostly landscapes and street photography. I love capturing candid moments.
Me too. I'm more into portraits, but I appreciate a good landscape. Do you have a favorite camera?
I'm currently using a Canon, but I'm thinking of switching to a Sony soon.
Oh, interesting. I use a Nikon. We can debate which one is better sometime.
Sounds like a plan. I'm always up for a friendly debate. See, I told you two would get along.
David, you're a great matchmaker.
I try my best. So, Alex, Anne is also a huge fan of hiking.
No way! I love hiking! Where's your favorite trail, Anne? That's a tough one. I really enjoyed the trails in Sapa last year. The views were breathtaking.
Sapa is amazing. I haven't been there in a while. Did you do any long treks?
Yes, a 2-day trek through the rice paddies. It was challenging, but so rewarding.
That sounds incredible. I usually stick to day hikes around Hanoi, but I would love to try something longer.
We should plan a trip sometime.
I'd be up for that.
I'm feeling a bit left out here. You two are already planning adventures.
Don't worry, David. You're invited too. You can carry our bags.
Thanks for the promotion. So, Alex, Anne is also a huge fan of cooking.
Really? What's your specialty, Anne?
Oh, David, stop exaggerating. I just enjoy cooking. I love making traditional Vietnamese dishes.
That's fantastic. I'm terrible at cooking, but I love eating.
Perfect. You can be my taste tester.
Deal. I'm always looking for a good meal.
You two are making me hungry now.
So, Alex, besides photography and hiking, do you have any other hobbies? I'm a big fan of reading, especially historical fiction.
Oh, I love reading too. Have you read The Nightingale by Kristen Hanna?
Yes, it's one of my favorites. The story is so powerful.
Absolutely. I cried so much while reading it.
Me too. It's a truly moving book.
Wow, you two have so much in common.
David, you've outdone yourself with this introduction.
Definitely. It's great to meet someone with so many shared interests.
Same here, Alex. I'm glad David introduced us. Mission accomplished. So, what are you two up to later?
I was just about to head home, but now I'm thinking of staying a bit longer.
Me too. This has been a really enjoyable conversation.
See, I told you two would get along.
You should exchange numbers.
Good idea. Alex, do you mind if I get your number?
Not at all. Here, let me give you my card.
Thanks. And this is mine.
Great. I'll text you later.
Sounds good. Maybe we can plan that hike soon.
I'd love that. I'm feeling a bit left out here. You two are already planning adventures.
Me too, David. Thanks for introducing us.
Yes, thank you, David. This was a great surprise.
You're very welcome, both of you. It's always nice to see friends connect. So, Alex, what brings you to this cafe today?
I actually had a meeting nearby, and I thought I'd grab a coffee afterwards.
Good choice. Their coffee is excellent.
I agree. What about you, Anne?
Just taking a break from work. It's nice to step away for a bit.
Definitely. A change of scenery can do wonders.
So, are you two still planning to go hiking together? Absolutely. We need to find a good weekend for it.
I'm pretty flexible, so just let me know what works for you, Anne.
Perfect. I'll check my calendar and text you.
I'm looking forward to hearing about your adventure.
You'll be the first to know.
We'll send you pictures.
Fantastic. So, what are you both reading these days? I just started Where the Crawdads Sing. It's captivating so far.
Oh, I've heard great things about that one. Is it a mystery?
Yes, with a bit of a coming-of-age story mixed in.
Sounds intriguing. I might have to add it to my list.
You definitely should. And you, Alex?
I'm rereading Sapiens, A Brief History of Humankind. It's always insightful.
That's a heavy one. Very thought-provoking.
It really is. It gives you a new perspective on everything.
I tried reading that, but I found it a bit dense.
It can be, but it's worth it.
Maybe Alex can give you some tips on how to approach it, David.
I'd be happy to.
See, Anne, you're not the only one who can introduce people. Touché, David.
It's been really nice chatting with both of you.
You too, Alex. This was a lovely surprise. Glad I could facilitate this connection.
It was a pleasure meeting you, Anne.
The pleasure was all mine, Alex. So, I guess I should let you two continue your conversation. Don't be silly, David. You're part of it.
Yes, stay with us.
Well, if you insist. More coffee then? Sounds perfect.
My treat.
Oh, Alex, you don't have to.
I insist. It's a pleasure meeting Anne.
That's very generous of you, Alex. Thank you.
My pleasure. So tell me more about your portrait photography, Anne.
Well, I mostly focus on natural light and capturing genuine emotions.
That's a beautiful approach. Do you have a portfolio online?
Yes, I do. I can send you the link later.
Please do. I'd love to see your work.
And Alex's landscape photos are incredible too, Anne. I'm sure they are. I'm excited to see them.
We can swap links.
Perfect. It's like a creative exchange. See? I knew you two would click. You had a good feeling, didn't you, David? I did. It's always great to see new friendships blossom.
I completely agree.
So, Alex, have you traveled much recently?
Not as much as I'd like. My last big trip was to Thailand.
Thailand is amazing. Did you go to the islands?
Yes, I spent a week in Phuket. It was beautiful.
I loved the food there.
Oh, the food was incredible.
I'm sensing another shared interest here. David, you're on a roll.
What about you, Anne? Any recent travels?
I went to Da Nang a month ago. The beaches were stunning.
Da Nang is lovely. I haven't been there in a while.
You should go again. The seafood is fantastic.
You're making me want to book a trip right now.
See, you two are inspiring each other. That's what friends are for.
Exactly. It's been a truly delightful encounter.
I couldn't agree more. Well, I think I've decided to come to this cafe today.
Me too, David. This was a very pleasant surprise.
It really was. Thanks again for introducing us, David.
My pleasure. Anytime.
We should all meet up again soon.
Definitely. Maybe for that hike?
Sounds great to me. I'll hold you two to that.
You bet. It's been a real pleasure getting to know you, Anne.
You too, Alex. I'm looking forward to our hike.
Me too.
All right. I think I'm going to grab another coffee. Anyone else? I'm good for now, thanks.
Me too. I'm still enjoying this one.
Okay, I'll be right back. Don't plan any more trips without me. No promises.
We'll try.
You two are too much. I'll be back. So, Alex, tell me more about your street photography. Do you prefer bustling cities or quieter towns?
I find beauty in both, but bustling cities offer more unpredictable moments, which I love to capture.
I can imagine. It must be thrilling to anticipate those shots.
It really is. Every street corner holds a potential story.
That's a lovely way to look at it. Do you ever feel intrusive?
Sometimes, but I try to be respectful and discreet. It's about observing, not disturbing.
That's a good philosophy. I find it challenging to capture people candidly without them noticing.
It takes practice, and sometimes a longer lens helps.
I might need to invest in one.
It opens up a lot of possibilities.
I'm back. What did I miss? Just talking about street photography.
And is interested in trying it out.
Oh, that's great. You two can go on a photography outing together. Another excellent idea, David.
I'd be happy to share some tips.
Fantastic. This is turning into a very productive afternoon.
It certainly is.
See, introducing people is my superpower. It definitely is today.
I'm grateful for it.
Me too, David. So, anything else interesting happening in your lives? I'm actually starting a new online course next month.
Oh, really? What's the course about?
It's about digital marketing. I want to expand my skills.
That's a great idea. Digital marketing is so important nowadays.
Exactly. I'm a bit nervous, but also excited.
I'm sure you'll do great, Anne.
Thanks, Alex. What about you? Any new projects?
I'm working on a personal photography project documenting old Hanoi.
Oh, that sounds beautiful. I love the old quarters.
Me too. There's so much history and character in those streets.
I can't wait to see your photos from that project.
I'll definitely share them with you.
Wow, you two are always up to something interesting. Life's too short to be boring, right?
Couldn't agree more.
Well said. So, Alex, what inspired you to start documenting old Hanoi?
I feel like those parts of the city are slowly changing, and I want to preserve their essence through my lens.
That's a really meaningful project. I admire that.
Thank you, Anne. It's a passion project for sure.
That's a lot of dedication.
It is, but it's very rewarding.
I can imagine. It's wonderful to have a creative outlet like that.
It truly is.
Well, I think this has been a very successful introduction. Definitely. Thanks again, David.
Yes, thank you for making this happen.
My absolute pleasure. Now you two have each other's contacts and plenty of things to talk about. We certainly do.
And maybe a hike, a photo outing, and a cooking session in the future.
Sounds like a full social calendar. All thanks to you, David.